In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign issues using Jira Automation, a powerful tool that can help streamline your project management process. As we go through these steps, keep in mind that the goal is to make sure issues are efficiently directed to the right person, saving time and reducing bottlenecks in your workflow. Let's begin by navigating to your Jira project, where the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the project settings. Once there, look for and select automation. This is where the magic happens and where you'll set up your automated rules. Next, you'll want to click on Create Rule. This is where we begin defining the parameters for our automation. The first thing we need to do is choose a trigger that will initiate the automation rule. Triggers are events that start the automation process. For illustration, let's consider using the issue created trigger, which activates the rule every time a new issue is created. With the trigger selected, it's essential to configure the trigger settings. Depending on your project needs, you might want to specify particular issue types or transitions. For instance, you might only want this rule to apply to bug issues, or when an issue moves from to do to in progress. Now, although it's optional, adding conditions to your rule is highly recommended. Conditions help refine the rule, ensuring it executes only when specific criteria are met. For our example today, let's add a user condition that checks whether the assignee field is empty. This ensures that the automation only proceeds for unassigned issues, making it more efficient and targeted. Once you've set up the conditions, it's time to decide on an action, the meat of your automation. This step determines what happens when the trigger fires and conditions are met. The most common action for auto-assigning is naturally assign issue. This action directs Jira to automatically allocate the issue to a designated person or group. Now choose whom you want to assign the issue to. You can assign it to a specific user, a group, or even dynamically based on certain fields. Think about who would be the best fit for handling these issues to ensure they are addressed promptly. After all these selections, you're almost done. Click on Turn on Rule in the top right corner of the screen. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your rule. Choose something descriptive so it's easily identifiable later. You'll also need to decide who can edit this rule. This setting might be crucial if you have multiple team members managing different aspects of the project and want to maintain some level of control or flexibility. Finally, click again on Turn on Rule to activate it officially. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an auto assignment rule in Jira. With this automation in place, your project management could become more streamlined and responsive, ensuring that issues go to the right team members at the right time.